Today we would like to introduce our uniquely engineered fusion foam pads and discs. These flexible, eco-friendly abrasives allow you to achieve a range of grits with just one product. From flat to contoured pieces, fusion foam allows you to sand most any surface shape. Fusion foam uses a proprietary grain-to-foam adhesion process that fuses the grain directly to the foam. Other similar products on the market are created by adhering the abrasive grains to a backing and then adhering the backing to the foam. Our direct grain-to-foam adhesion allows for reduced heat buildup and reduced loading. By avoiding a heavy level of loading, this unique feature results in an exceptionally long life. Available in brown and white aluminum oxide, as well as silicon carbide, fusion foam is ready to use in a wide grit range from 120 all the way up to 3500 grit. The flexibility of fusion foam allows you to easily sand flat surfaces as well as contoured shapes. Klingspor offers two different thicknesses of fusion foam pads, including a 5mm and a 1/2 inch version. The thicker the pad, the more it will conform to the contoured workpiece. As you can see, the flexibility of the fusion foam makes this product ideal for pieces that require both a flat abrasive and one that can conform to curves. As previously mentioned, instead of a single grit, fusion foam operates within a grit range shown on the back side of the product. To achieve the lower end of the grit range, simply adjust the RPMs of your sander to a slower speed, and then increase the speed to achieve the higher grit range. You'll save time and money by reducing the time it would take to switch out the discs for different grits. Fusion foam discs attach quickly and easily by way of a special velour backing and release just as quickly from your hook and loop ready backing pad. Applications include bare wood, finish sanding, gel coat, fiberglass, plastics, carbon fiber, solid surface, and steel, as well as aluminum and other non-ferrous metals. You can find fusion foam in many different forms, including 3, 5, 6, and 11-inch discs, and also in 3 by 4 1/4 inch pads in either the 5mm or the 1/2 inch in thickness. Fusion foam's unique configuration results in a long-lasting, anti-loading abrasive with an incredible range and grit size that will work for a variety of applications. If you want one of the most diverse abrasives on the market, be sure to try out our unique fusion foam pads and discs, only at Klingspor.